Hello, my dearest morning charms. Welcome to Computer Science session. Today we are going to begin with Introduction to C. Before we begin the session, let us learn about what is language. A language is a vital part of human connection. Although all species have their ways of communicating, humans are the only ones that have masters cognitive language communication. Language allows us to share our ideas, thoughts, and feelings with others. It has the power to build societies but also to tear them down. As we human beings need language for the communication, the computers also have the concept of language to communicate with. Now, don't ask me which language to talk with computer. There is a special language to deal with computer, and that's known as computer programming language. Now, this allows us to give instruction to a computer in a language the computer understands. Just as many human-based language exist, there are an array of computer programming languages that programmers can use to communicate with computer. One among such is called your C language. That's what you're going to learn today. C language is considered as mother of all the languages. C is highly portable and is used for scripting system applications which form a major part of Windows, Unix, Linux operating system as well. C is a general purpose programming language and can efficiently work on enterprise applications, games, graphics, and applications requiring calculations. C is very special because it is a structured, low-level, and mission-dependent language. It is developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year 1973 at AT&T Bell Labs. Why name C was given to this language? Many of the ideas of C language was derived from B language. BCPL and CPL are the previous version of B language. BCPL stands for Basic Combined Programming Language and CPL stands for Combined Programming Language. As many of the features come from B, it was called as C language. C has no such full form, it is just a letter C. C is highly used in the market and it's very special. The reason behind that is it's very portable, it's very fast and efficient to work. It is called as middle level language which is understood both by the computer and human being. It is one of the powerful medium existing in the market. It is simple and effective for any beginners. It is small and portable to any computer. It is based on the modular structure. It is case sensitive. Now, having these features, C is made very special. C language is very strong and effective, having comprised with these components. The components are functions, operators, expressions, statements, flowchart, variables, output, and the translator called as compiler. All these components will be taught as a part of the C programming. C character set. C does not use every character found in the keyboard. The only character that the C language uses for its programs are as follows. They are alphabets, digits, and the special characters. Constants. Constants are entities whose values are fixed, that is, their values do not change during the course of the execution of a program. Several types of constants are supported by C. Different types of constants are existing as well. Constants can be mainly classified into character constants or numeric constants. Examples for character constants: your name, your father's name, your school name, the sun, the moon, all are constant. Examples for numeric constant: your Aadhaar number, your PAN number, not yours, your parents, vehicle number, bank account number, etc. Variables. Variables are the entities which can take different values during the course of execution of the program. That is, their value is not constant. For example, class of a student, salary of a person, value of x and y in your max, etc. The identifiers. They are programmer chosen names to represent parts of the program like variables, constants, functions, library names, etc. C is case sensitive, which means they use both uppercase and lowercase. They are considered different. What is data type? A data type in a programming language is a set of data values having predefined characteristics. Data type are of three types: primitive, derived, user defined. Here we consider only the primitive data type. Example: character, integer, float, double, and many others. Character data type. Single character. It is measured in 1 byte and the range is mentioned. Integer data type. It uses a single integer. It is measured in 2 bytes. Float data type uses a decimal pointed value which is measured in 4 bytes. Double data type, which is a long decimal pointed values which can maximum occupy 8 bytes. And you have many more. The keywords. Keywords are words that have special meaning to the C compiler. Their meaning cannot be changed at any instant. Serving as basic building blocks for programming statements, all keywords are written only in lowercase. There are a total of 32 keywords in C. All keywords are assigned with some predefined meaning, that is, they have a fixed meaning. These are also called as reserved words, which is nothing but the commands used in C language. Kindly make sure your work is complete. Signing off. Catch you again in the next session. Thank you.